Say taser, taser, taser. Back up for me. Back up. Welcome back to Trey the Techman. Today I'll be unboxing the Vipertek VTS 979 stun gun. Y'all ready? Let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox it. Open it up. You got a Vipertek card in here with their website and a thank you for your purchase. You also have a instruction or a little manual, just one sheet, it's no words on the back. Also come in here, you have your safety pin. You also have the stun gun with the holster. Pull this up, open. You have also a charger in here. It's a small charger. Alright, so we're going to take this out of here. Open this up. Now when you first get yours, they have a little pin in here, so it's automatically already going to work. Now you could take this out and use your safety pin, but we're going to go ahead and work it first. First they have, it's a 3 kind of selection right here. You put it in the middle and then your flashlight come on. It's a pretty bright flashlight. Too much in my eyes. Alright, so next you go up and then it turns red. That means it's armed. Alright, they say you shouldn't hold it for more than a second into the air, or otherwise it will the warranty won't be good no more. But we're gonna test it out anyway. Let's do it. Seems very powerful. Let's try it one more time. Okay. I can see it hurting someone. Alright, now I'm gonna turn it off. We're gonna take this pin that comes automatically in there, and then we're gonna put the safety strap on there, so just to keep you on the safe side. What I'm gonna do is, they don't have nothing in here. I'm just gonna take this little screen part right here, put it underneath the little clip. If I can do it, and then I'm just gonna pull that part out. Now that part out, even if I turn it all the way up, it won't even turn on, even though it's red, so it's armed. Alright, now I'm gonna put the safety strap on there. Plug that in there. Now I'm gonna turn it on. It's armed again. Now we're gonna push and it works again. So I guess it depends on if you wanna have this in or not. Their safety precautions is if you don't have this in, it won't work. If you do, it does. You can also turn this off right here. So like if you dig it in your purse or something, it won't automatically go on. The way it grips, it doesn't seem like you would just slide your hand on it and it would just automatically turn on. You have to actually like put your pressure down on it. And of course, if you don't have this in, it ain't gonna go off anyway. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Let me know if you're gonna get one in the comments below.